Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, May 13th. Let's see what you have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have 2 activities. It looks like a lot, but it's only 2 activities. So the first thing you'll do is page 72 and 73. You'll read this on page 72 and complete A, B, and C on page 73. And then you take a picture and upload. Your next activity is about conflict resolution in the workplace. So first you read this, okay? So you're going to read this only, all right? So you're going to watch 2 examples, and then you will share how they could have done that in a better way, all right? So you just read this one. Then here are the videos. So you're going to watch the 2 videos. Okay, watch the 2 videos. Then you are going to put in the comment section how they could have how they could have gone about the resolving the conflict differently using would you mind, could you please, I apologize because, and other helpful and polite language. Okay. Then when you finish making your post, you can watch the good example of conflict at work. Okay. And that's it for async. So essentially, you read this, you watch this, you answer this, and you watch. But it has to be done in this order. Okay, it has to be done in this order. All right, and that's it for async. It's Thursday. That means we have sync class together, and we're going to do an activity on workplace conflicts using polite grammar, and then we will be catching up on our essays. So most people should be done by their 3rd article, and then we should be writing our POV. And that's it for today. Good luck.